Chur, Navira Weight Gain Chur, Manu Pushpi Plus Chur, Raj Glow Extra Power, Breast Toric 3 and Capsule, NARS Hair Care Kit, Navira Green Face Wash, Navira Mixed Fruit Face Wash, Navira Fairness Face Wash, Navira Fair and Flora Cream, Navira Take Care Cream, Navira Anti-Acne Lotion, Navira Hair Conditioner और Navira Herbal Shampoo।
आयुर्वेद अब सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान तक ही सीमित नहीं रह गया है, आयुर्वेद को पूरे विश्व में स्वीकारा जा रहा है और उसी का परिणाम है कि आज हम 100 से अधिक देशों में हमारा प्रोडक्ट एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं और हम आने वाले समय में कोशिश करेंगे कि हम अधिक से अधिक देशों में हमारा प्रोडक्ट उपलब्ध करवाएं।
राजस्थान औषधालय की दवाओं की गुणवत्ता और समाज के प्रति डॉक्टर साहब के सेवा भाव को देखते हुए ही राजस्थान एवं भारत सरकार द्वारा डॉक्टर चोपदार को कई बार सम्मानित किया जा चुका है। इसके साथ साथ राजस्थान औषधालय ISO 9001/2008, GMP HACCP एवं WHO GMP द्वारा प्रमाणित कंपनी है। राजस्थान औषधालय का समाज सेवा के तौर पर चलने वाला सबसे बड़ा अभियान है नशा मुक्ति आंदोलन। अपने इस अभियान के तहत राजस्थान औषधालय अब तक करीब 10 लाख लोगों को नशे की आदत से निजात दिला चुका है। इस आंदोलन के तहत पूरे देश में कंपनी के करीब 10,000 सेंटर्स काम कर रहे हैं, जहां लोगों को नशे की बुराइयों के बारे में अवगत कराया जाता है। इसके साथ साथ समय समय पर कैंप लगाकर लोगों को नशे की बुराइयों के खिलाफ जागरूक किया जाता है और उन्हें नशे से दूर रहने की हिदायत दी जाती है। और अगर कोई किसी वजह से इस दलदल में फंस गया है तो उसे इस दलदल से बाहर निकलने में ये संस्थान उसकी मदद भी करता है। राजस्थान औषधालय द्वारा जरूरतमंदों एवं गरीब तबके के लिए समय समय पर राजस्थान, महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु एवं देश के अन्य भागों में मुफ्त मेडिकल कैंप्स लगाए जाते हैं, जहां आने वाले मरीजों का मुफ्त परीक्षण करके उनका इलाज किया जाता है। स्वास्थ्य जीवन की सबसे महत्वपूर्ण वस्तु है। ये सबसे बहुमूल्य खजाने से भी अधिक कीमती है। इसी विचारधारा को ध्यान में रखते हुए राजस्थान औषधालय समस्त विश्व में एक स्वस्थ समाज की स्थापना करने के लिए कटिबद्ध है और कार्यरत है।
When you start your prescription, you will definitely prescribe with confidence. This definitely gives confidence.
We would like to say many thanks for your presence and thanks to Mr. S.K. Rai who has given the excellent communication to you. Our Honorable Chairman Dr. D. Chopdar speaking from our side. Now our Managing Director Mr. Salim Diwan, good evening to you, and Dr. Sen, good evening to you, and respected doctors who are presented over here. The humble greeting from our side. Doctor, I would like to say something about this organization. This company, which has been started in 1952, in the early stage, Dr. S.D. Chopdar, who has been started not only with the notion, but he has given the base strength and research and development. So that is why we are over here. So sir, slowly I am coming down to few points, because most of doctors who are telling, भाई मुझे लेट हो रहा है, मुझे जाना है. Sir, this is again requesting to you, sir. We will take another maybe half an hour. From our side, we will take the 10 to 15 minutes. Please cooperate with us. Actually, our company is entirely different from the other organizations because we would like to make the leading Ayurvedic pharmaceutical companies. Our mission, our vision, our values entirely different because we are dedicated for the medicines, for the quality, for the purity, and our vision is also different because most of persons who are going to say that really Herbal International products are excellent. There is again reason behind that. I will say later on. I will discuss. And our values. It is important things for us because we are not only working with this organization. Our colleagues who are working and who are enjoying with this organization. So our dedicated, our continuous effort, our regular research and development, and with the support of Dr. S.D. Chopdar, we are proceeding like anything. This organization which has already got the many awards, and that is not only equipped by the government but also the other organizations, other NGOs. So sir, please listen carefully what I am going to talk about this product. Rajasthan Dhale, this is not only the manufacturing company but also it is the marketing in all over India, not only but also the other part of the countries. We are also exporting this product, as I said in the last slide, not only Africa, not only CIS country, not only in Vietnam, Philippines, even many countries we are exporting this product due to the quality, due to the purity, and due to the better result from the customer, better result from the doctors also. Rajasthan Dhale, it has been started in 1952 with the product of de-addiction, and that product became a very successful with the better development and better strength by Dr. S.D. Chopdar. And after successful completion, our organization who has already come out with the 46 products. Now we have not only the only one umbrella, under the one umbrella we have the 4-5 organizations we are running in India. That is called nutraceutical division also is there. We have cosmetic division also is there. We have Ayurvedic sector is also is there. And we are also pioneer in the de-addiction and pioneer in pain management. Apart from that, we have cardiac product, we have urology product, we have rank tonic, so many more products we have. So we are getting the better response from the market, from the doctor, from the patient also. Doctor, it is very important thing for us. Why we are standing over here? Because we are giving the product which is completely not only the pure, it is also authentic. Because many more ingredients which is available in the market, but it is not pure. Purity and authenticity, both would be there, and result automatically come out. So our drug is 100% Ayurvedic and genuine, and we are getting the best response from the patient. So doctor, please make in mind our product which is available in an extract form. So extract form, as you know doctor very well, what is the process, how we are manufacturing this product. There is the art of technology we are manufacturing and we are sustaining in the market. We have also very large product line, bulk productivity also is there. In-house development and research, we are not depending upon anyone. Personally, our Honorable S.D. Chopdar Sahab is always not only doing the research, but also he is doing the development. And he is also watching what is the response to the product, how we can go ahead. Regularly he is changing the systems also, following the rules and regulations not only, but also he is completely thinking about the quality, manufacturing process, standardization of the product, and how far and how it is better than the other organizations. Doctor, I would like to say under the one umbrella, we have everything I can say: research and development, quality management, quality assurance. These are the backbone of the organization, and behind that we are doing, and we are behind the product also. Doctor, I am going to talk about the de-addiction product. De-addiction product, it is the bread, butter and hot product from our organization. So what I mean to say, sir, our product name is under the de-addiction, because in the earliest stage, Dr. Chodasa, who already decided we would like to eradicate the de-addiction from the society, not only, but also the world. When I am going to talk, when I am talking to him, he is going to say, मैं 2020 लेके आ रहा हूँ. I didn't get the meaning of the 2020. मैं सर 2020 मैच तो मैंने सुना है, लेकिन 2020 में जाना नहीं. Means his notion is really entirely different. What he meant to say, 2020, he would like to eradicate the addiction from the society, from the country, from the world. See, it could be happen when you would like to expecting your spread, you just spread the hand, just support to us, so that without the help of you, without the promising of you, we cannot do anything else. So Doctor, it is humble request to you, when Doctor, we are going to talk about a de-addiction product, please just give me the 1 minute time, and after the ending of this session, Dr. A.D. Chaudhary, who will take the oath from you all, how we have to be addiction free, means addiction free. So I again requesting to you for de-addiction product, which having the product Sumari, Dhumari, Silari Silver Plus, Kalbat, many more products, which is related to the different indication also. So as you know, Doctor, because the most important point I have forgotten to tell to you. Okay, anyway, so I missed it from here. I am talking about Pureria tuberosa. That is a Latin name, and it is the time tested, worldwide tested. The name is kudzu. It is most important ingredient, which is giving the best result. Apart from that, we have already put it in the de-addiction product, which is soya is there, amlaki is there, vivataki is there. So these are the ingredients very much useful to not only suppressant agent, but is also it is reducing the cramming of the system. So Indian kudzu, which is important role in this product. Apart from that, amla is there, which is detoxify our bodies, because most of persons who are taking a lot of consumption, so that is a kind of poison. After taking the consumption, alcohol, after consuming the cigarette and something like, then some poisonous would be there. So amla this ingredient, it is eradicating and detoxifying from your body. Doctor, de-addiction product, I have already said we will take the oath in the end of session. Now Doctor, I am coming to other product, which is the PNC, Pain Nivaran Churn. Pain Nivaran Churn, again it is the bread and butter for my organization. Any type of joint pain, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, you can prescribe and you can give to patient and you will get the result 100%. Because it is available in abstract form. So after giving this medicines, you will get the almost 99% not and more than 100%. But one thing I would like to say, and I would like to say with this product, over age, means I'm talking about more than 35 years, more than 45 years, more than 40 years, somebody having the vitamin deficiency. After giving these medicines, they tell, I am fine, I am not feeling the pain. But after few days, they will tell, no, I am again getting the problem. Other cause would be the 100%. Because nowadays our food habit, it became a very vast. Somebody who are taking on time, somebody who are not taking on time, I can cancel like that. Somebody who are taking the vitamins, somebody who are not taking the vitamins. So over a period of time, due to the bad food habit, due to the junk food habit, due to the not timely food habit, slowly you are getting the vitamin deficiency. That time, just doctor think about the Vita Day. Vita Day, it's having the multivitamins, multimineral, ginseng, and all type of trace element, which is called antioxidant. So doctor, when you are going to prescribe our PNC as well as Dr. Relaxi, please go for Vita Day also. In the early stage, you can go. If you are not getting the long treatment, you can add with the supplement, which is Vita Day. Doctor is having the ashwagandha, anti-inflammatory agent, Salaki also is there, Harida also is there, Nirgandi also is there, Masandi also is there, Yogras, Google is there. These are the ingredients very much useful for internal joint pain. For external, we have already introduced PNC IL as well as the Dr. Relaxi IL. These products having the calcium IL, Nilgiri IL, Ganpura IL, Dalchini IL, and these are only after taking the 10 drop and you apply the local area where you are getting the pain, and after 10 to 15 minutes, patient will tell, no, I am getting some relief. So doctor, this is again, it is available in a hashtag form. We have already applied the art of technology, which is the boon of the organization, and you are getting the 100% result. That is why, sir, we are here. As I said, doctor, about this Vita Day, nobody can say what type of vitamin deficiency we have, because there is no clinical trial has been done. Doctors, any doctor talking about, any type of deficiency I'm talking about, doctors who can write not only the in only one segment and only one pain management, only one problem. It can be written down to any type of problem which is related to the vitamin deficiency, which is related to your selenium, which is related to your ginseng, which is related to vitality, which is related to your sex also. You can give this medicine and it is 100% authentic. Doctor, many thanks. We have many more products also. Vita Day is also very excellent product. We have also Kayatma cancer product is excellent, and Dr. Sen will share with this about this product. So I would like to say again, many thanks for your presence.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sharma. You have given very elaborate information about the preparations of the Rajasthan Aushadhalaya. Now may I request our chairman, Dr. S.D. Chopdar, to share a few things with you. So, Dr. Sharma.
मैं आज जो कुछ नहीं, यह तो मुकद्दस की शिकायत है। मैं आज जो कुछ भी हूँ, यह सब आप ही की इनायत है, आप ही की इनायत है, आप ही की इनायत है। सम्मानित मंच, अति सम्मानित सदन, मेरे सभी अपनों को मैं नमन करता हूँ, अभिनंदन करता हूँ, सलाम करता हूँ। अभी आपने शर्मा जी को, इधर हमारे राय साहब को, पता नहीं कैसे कैसे लोगों को आपने बर्दाश्त किया। 2 मिनट मुझे भी बर्दाश्त कीजिए। फायदे का सौदा रहेगा, और चूंकि मैं मारवाड़ी हूँ इसलिए फायदे का सौदा ही बोलूंगा। मैंने मेरे ऑफिस में सभी को एक बात बोली कि मेरा एक जो ख्वाब है वो यार मैं पूरा करूंगा। सभी ने सहमति दी। मेरा ख्वाब ये था कि मैं आपसे कैसे मिलूं, कैसे आपको सम्मानित करूं और आयुर्वेद को सम्मानित करूं। मैं आयुर्वेद से हूं, मैं अब आगे जो बोलूंगा वो आयुर्वेद के बारे में बोलूंगा। मेरे दादाजी ने एक आयुर्वेद का बीज बोया, मैंने उसको गवर्नमेंट सर्विस के बाद में रिजाइन करके उसको सिंचा और बरगद का पेड़ आपने बनाया। ये आप सबका मेरे को एहसान है, एक पूरी दुनिया पर एहसान है। और एक आप अच्छे लोग हो जो लोगों को ऐसा ऐसा कुछ दे रहे हो जो आप सोच नहीं सकते। जहां लाखों करोड़ों के ऊपर खर्चा होता है वहां आप थोड़ी सी दवाई देकर उसको ठीक करते हो। ये सिर्फ आयुर्वेद है। आयुर्वेद था, आयुर्वेद है, आयुर्वेद रहेगा। अभी इन्होंने इतनी बात बोली, चेयरमैन ये, चेयरमैन वो, ना ये वो, ये। सच ये है कि मैं एक प्रैक्टिशनर हूं, आज भी प्रैक्टिस करता हूं, प्रैक्टिशनर हूं। आप सब प्रैक्टिशनर हो, मैं प्रैक्टिशनर के सामने हूं, मैं मेरे घर में हूं, मेरे भाइयों में हूं, मेरे परिवार में हूं और मैं खुदा से दुआ करता हूं कि ये मेरा परिवार पूरी दुनिया में फैले और इसी तरह से आयुर्वेद की सेवा करता है।